Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but Spah % ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Oscar M Memorial Higher Secondary School Shillong haka arpo artarek jemmang arja arpun riu kala Rakhe ka jingdap arpusan Snem haka jingya lenti jongka ban ai ka jing shakri haka pule puthi shaki khon samla haka jingyalang ka bla penlong hak campus jongkatei ka Skul. Hakani ka sngi lawan banyasim benta roba Charles Pingrop u MLA ka Nongthymmai constituency kumukongsan haringkat ka jia don lang u Dr. H. Tunsong, scientist E Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Forest Office Shillong, kumu sembut kongsan ka kong diamond ding do bat uru pradhan kinong seng jongkate ka Skul kinong hikai ki khana pule ki kmi ki khpa nolor kiwe ki bla sha khot ngobha. Hakane kesngi la samru yaki khusnam shaki balawan shakmat haka pule puthi kejingpen ko buram yaki nongseng kate ko Skul nolor kiwe pat bat la peni pui pieng daki Jingstad bat ki jingrai naki khana pule jong kate ko Skul nakaliang MLA ul ais ngo bharu daga song pisa shakate ko Skul khnang bakan la ban penon kam ban tei yaki jingdon kam.
In fact, when Dr. Rima delivered her initial acceptance of our gathering, I was moved by what she had said regarding the journey of the school, which started from the heart of Ma Oscar. And it was through your hard work, Dong Diamond and Mr. Pradhan, and the children and the family also, that today we have reached such a milestone. The Silver Jubilee celebrations. And I felt quite at home because 45 years ago I was a teacher too of English and literature in the St. Peter's School in Shillong. So let me thank the management, the committee, the board of directors for inviting me to this day, and also thank the respected staff and students. Many more decades of incomparable service to the citizens of our beloved state and to this particular constituency as a whole. I take this opportunity to express too my sincere appreciation to the Oscar M Memorial Higher Secondary School for their consistent and dedicated service to the advancement of our citizenry. Your commitment to providing quality education and maintaining strong moral foundations has made this institution respected and trusted within the community. We are grateful for your steady guidance and contribution to the development of young minds over the years. As is often said, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of the fire, and education is the wealth that propels our passion towards excellence. Educational institutions thus must be reminded of this golden premise that great challenges in the destiny of mankind can be effected only in the minds of the youth. We are thus burdened with this cardinal task of urgently realigning the educational system with foremost values that sustain our civilization. I would like to remind the youth of today, especially my dear students, of what Dr. Martin Luther King, the great warrior against injustice, said about adaptation and vigilance. Our very survival depends on our ability to stay awake, to adjust to new ideas, to remain vigilant, and to face the challenges of change. The world is changing rapidly, and you are growing up in a time full of powerful possibilities. But opportunities must meet preparation. So prepare yourselves, study sincerely, build character, respect your teachers, respect your parents, and above all, respect yourselves. Let us now be reminded once again that education is the wealth that drives our quest for the best and excellence in all our endeavors. I would like to extend once again my hearty congratulations to all the students, to the teachers, and to Oscar M. Memorial Higher Secondary School as a whole on achieving many more crucial milestones for enduring success. And before I conclude, I have, on your request, I think, Kong Diamond and the headmistress of the school, that you needed some funds for the construction of rain shed at the school here today. So I'm happy to announce that this sanction has been granted for 3 lakh rupees. So I may request the headmistress or principal to kindly accept this. But let me also remind you that in the times to come, if there is any help you will require, you are most welcome to come to my office and discuss with me.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya